Hey, what's up, nerds? Happy New Year. Hopefully everybody had a great New Year's Eve celebration, whatever you do, and are having a good New Year, and hopefully everybody had a great 2017. So, I did a shave video yesterday morning before work. Today's the 1st, January 1st, 2018. I had to work yesterday and stay overnight, and before I went into work I did a shave video, a New Year's shave video, and talked about New Year's resolutions. And I went to upload it to my computer and it was gone. It was just not even on my phone. I don't know what happened. I don't know where it went. It was just gone. So I had a great shave too. I used the Merkur Future. A buddy of mine let me borrow some of his, or try some of his Soap Commander Japanese Grapefruit. It performed really well. A crystal blade. It was a really nice shave and it was gone. So I'm doing this unboxing video instead for New Year's. I ordered some stuff after Christmas, and I didn't think it'd get here until after January 1st, probably the 2nd or 3rd, but it showed up yesterday while I was at work. So I thought, you know what, I didn't get my shave video, but this will be a good way to do a New Year's video still. And I just wanted to thank everybody who's subscribed to my channel, who's commented, who watches my videos. I really appreciate it. I started this channel maybe around late May, early June, and it's amazing how many subscribers. I'm just floored and awed by the kindness and support and everything I've received from all you guys. So there's too many people to name, so I'm not going to try to start naming off names of people who have been supportive, showed me kindness, been generous with their stuff to me. So I'm not going to name names, but thank you everybody. I really appreciate it. I've really had fun doing this, and it's a fun hobby, and I really enjoy it, and I enjoy the camaraderie and the comments and, you know, the emails and everything that goes along with it. So thank you everybody for a great shaving 2017. With that, I ordered some stuff from Maggard Razors. So this just showed up. I just took it out of the box, so the box it came in, so it's still in the packaging. The Rockwell 6C, and I got the white chrome plated. So I've heard a ton of good things about this, read a lot of great reviews online about it, watched a lot of awesome videos about it, and I am really excited for this razor. Man, it looks pretty heavier than I thought it was going to be. A little bit heavier than I thought it was going to be. Just a beautiful, clean, nice handle. Just really clean, beautiful razor. And it's got the different, hopefully they won't fall out here. I'll kind of hold them in. The 3 plates, obviously the one on, and then the other 2 reversible. And then it came with a 5-pack of blades. So I've heard mixed reviews on the blade. Some people like the blade, some people don't. So we'll see what the blades are like. But that's ordered the Rockwell 6C, so really excited about that, to get to use that. And the other thing I ordered was this Omega S brush, their synthetic boar brush. I've only used synthetic brushes, and all of them. I have a couple of the black tuxedo, a couple of the regular knots. So this is the first boar synthetic, and these are really cheap. A lot more stiffness than the other synthetic. So I'm excited to use that. I've read a lot of good things about these and heard a lot of good things, especially for the price. So I'm excited to give that a shot. So that's my unboxing. And I have a few New Year's resolutions, a few New Year's shaving resolutions, I guess. So a few things I'm going to try and do. One thing I'm going to work on is, well, let me show you. I have a huge, this isn't even all my samples. I have this bag of samples. I have more samples down under my sink. I have a bunch of samples, and I want to get better at bowl lathering. So I thought, you know what, a great thing to do, use up those samples, bowl lather all of them. You know, you'll get better and better at bowl lathering. And so that's one resolution. my second resolution is to get faster at shaving. I feel like I'm still taking quite a while to get through a shave, and it doesn't need to be that long. So I think if I can learn to bowl lather, maybe get that down, it might help me speed up a little bit and get a little quicker, a little more comfort with shaving. So those are my two resolutions. So but learn how to bowl lather, get faster at shaving, and then a thing I'm going to do in the new year, kind of a little change up to how I do my videos. I'm going on, this is like the scientist engineer coming out in me. I'm going to do a blade razor combo experiment. I'm gonna choose a razor, a handle, like let's just say the Rockwell 6C, and I'm going to just try a bunch of different blades in that handle, using that same handle over and over and over till I find the best combo. And then I'll move on to my variant and try all the blades through that. And that way, hopefully I can kind of narrow in for each razor what blade works best. So, and then I'm going to try and do, usually on my videos, they're pretty, like hey, I want to use this soap with this razor, with this blade, and see how it goes. I'm going to be a little more scientific experiment approach about it, where I'm going to keep a lot of things the same, switch up the soap still, but the same razor, switching out blades to figure out the best combo. So, thank you everybody for watching this. Once again, thank you everybody for making 2017 an awesome shaving year. I started up this hobby, started up this YouTube channel, and I've loved every minute of it. So thank you to everybody. Please be safe, please be kind, have a great 2018. Alabama plays Clemson tonight. Roll Tide, let's get it done. We'll see you guys later. Bye.